the fuck out of my house, you idiot. Hey, someone just came into my house. Someone just is they're in my house right now. Yes. I just saw the door close. They were standing outside of your house. Yeah, so I did not, because I have a nice big ass fucking gun. I need to call the police. Hey, I told you I will not call the police if you just leave my house. Get out of my house, otherwise I'm going to shoot the shit out of you, and I don't want to. Like, just get out of my house. Get out of my house. Oh my god, you're fucking stupid. You're fucking stupid.
Additional shots fired.
How's it going? David 309, shots taken, suspect down.
Me. Fuck.
Suspect's down, hands are up.
Move past, move past. Push past us, Burrito. Go. I'll hold lethal.
Off the police! Anybody here?
Hook him, hook him. Hook him. You get it? Hook him, I'll take over, okay?
Yep. Roll over on your stomach, buddy. So we can help you roll on your stomach.
You doing good? Yeah, we're good. Stay where you're at! Stay over there! You got it? Grab med kit! Grab a med kit! Once they get up here, you go back to your car, okay?
Yeah.
Good work, okay? Good work. You'll be okay. Hey, we're gonna get you help, okay? We're gonna get you help. One of y'all go to Burrito. One of y'all come over here. Somebody take over for Daniel.
Got a med kit.
Okay, Dan, step over.
Med kit.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah,
Okay. Hey,
Off the police, anybody in here? Make yourself known.
Brent.
Yeah.
Go with him.
I'm with you.
Hey, clear with them. You can clear with them. No, leave it where it's at. It's fine. He's hooked.
Off the police, anybody here? Make yourself
Where's
known.
he shot at?
I don't know.
He's been searched.
No, he is not. EMS is clear to enter.
Looks like he shot to the toe. Who's inside right now?
Burrito, multiple officers. We don't know of anybody, any suspects inside.
He's clear.
One
Okay.
shot to the lower pelvis.
Okay. You got a med kit?
Yeah, let me get some gauze.
Okay, let's roll one to his...
Where's
Hey,
your-
bro. You're gonna be okay.
Where's your,
Sit up.
shears?
Hey, coming out, out there.
I'm coming out of your way.
Hey, man.
Good.
Hey, stay with us, stay with us.
Just one shot in the gun?
He's got another.
Shut the buttock.
Yeah, he shot one time here, once on the right buttock, and on his hands, I believe.
What do you guys need right now?
There's more gauze.
I got it.
In here.
Yeah, right here he's got a little bit of a wound.
708. He's got multiple gunshots to his lower extremities.
One more gauze.
Go on the side. Left side. You want more golf on first? Yeah. I'm handing out the golf on your side. I need someone to roll them on the side, please.
On this side?
No, roll them towards me. Okay. Underneath them. You see my hand? Yep. Right back up. Bring across. Coming up again? Okay. Got it? Nope. Got it.
Hey, was the EMS staging or they're good to enter?
They've already been cleared to enter.
Where's some
Hey, let's use. Here, I got another first.
Hey man, stay with us. There you go.
Maybe on his upper back. Second, yeah, right here. Upper back.
Mid back.
It's not bleeding. It's not working. Not much going to be able to
His legs are clear.
It's not bleeding though, so we're good. Just keep him on his side. Keep him on a recovery position.
Come on man, stay with us.
Keep her.
You have to uncuff them. You can't do CPR with them.
Hey, get that gun out of here.
Well, has a,
Hold at least away from him. Sit over there right now. Whatever you want to do.
Come on man, stay with us, okay?
hey buddy, you won't be alright, man. Take it easy.
Oh, I got a pulse.
You got a pulse?
You're breathing.
Alright. I'll move
That's
stuff.
probably the best way that he's getting air right now. So keep him like that, okay?
We have no like stuff in your chest or anything?
No, not on chest. Just pelvic area, but that's going to be really dangerous.
Can I lean his head back?
Arteries in that area.
I'm just gonna hold it down because it's already moving.
Where are they at?
They're 23.
So hey, these hips, we need to make sure that these are healthy.
Daly, you good?
I'm good. I came after.
Let you know that.
Come on man, stick with us, okay? You're doing a good job.
Let's, if we can move any of those cars for EMS, look at whoever's
Yes. Hey.
not.
Oh, they coming right here. Which part right there?
Just keep his hips together because we don't want to bleed. Hey, stay with
Son,
me, man.
you give me your keys. What,
Hey, keep
just
breathing.
work. Excuse me.
Hey, Daly.
Yeah, I'm gonna get your gun.
Hey,
Yeah, give it to me. Come on.
Inside's clear.
Come on man, stick with us.
You still got it?
His breathing originally was more agonal.
They're calling me.
David
got it, we got it.
David 17's busy.
What do you need?
Hey, do you want to grab my key? It's gonna be
Chris,
around
so
the
we can
corner
open
towards
the
the
air.
right.
Yeah, later
Take him out
down.
of cuffs. Take him out of cuffs.
What's your car number?
91.
He's with Maria.
There we go.
I
Perfect.
checked on him. I was there. I was running up to him when he shot. When he shot.
Just Daniel.
It just Daniel.
Stay with us, Daniel.
Do it until
Stay
dawn.
touch. He's with Brant.
All the way back. Bring it towards there.
I'm
Hey, man.
Hey guys.
GSM lower belly.
Lower belly.
Pelvic area.
Okay.
We got one right here.
63. You're conscious? He's been doing this agonal kind of.
Oh, so that's as far as we know, one to the
No,
lower
I think
belly,
this
anywhere else?
this might
One right
be.
here back.
I think there's.
We're gonna get our mega mover up real close, guys.
Yeah, was it armed?
Mark grab it.
We're gonna get firearm out of the
Hey,
way
can
too.
we
We're gonna get
Who's
stretcher up.
is this his?
Unclear.
This is the bad, like our suspect right here? Yeah, I mean, we can get it just.
Thanks.
So, you guys keep holding pressure right this second. We're gonna get mega mover over on this side. Get our stretcher all set up and ready for us. You can put that back down on the ground. Comfortable holding pressure if you let go? Have you step out of the way?
Me?
Yes, ma'am. What was that bleeding like before y'all were putting pressure on it? Spurting, oozing?
Steady.
Steady?
But I think we were losing most of it through this wrist, and we just discovered that.
Okay.
Do we have one wound so far?
Multiple wounds. Belly, leg, arm fracture on the left.
So bilat arm?
No, it's a arm fracture, but there's a lower belly, kind of suprapubic.
Ready? On three. One,
Yes,
two, three.